I'm Vern with Wildtop Truck Caps. We're proudly manufactured in Australia, the birthplace of overlanding. Wildtop makes a soft canvas truck topper, but our specialty is we have a built-in heavy-duty load-rated rack. We're manufactured with a full frame inside using T-slot rails inside and on top, so you can attach all sorts of accessories inside and also on your roof rack. Basically, it's a 16-ounce Australian canvas. Sides roll up. We use magnets instead of clips to hold it up. You can ride with it open, safari style, all four sides, or closed. The options include front and rear windows, windows all the way around, or no windows at all, also color. So along with the roof rack, which is a 1,500 pounds static, 330 pounds dynamic, will hold just about whatever you want. Any rooftop tent, your whole family inside of it. I mean, it is a very deluxe rack. New options for us. Mesh screen windows. Very heavy duty, Velcroed on, but it's the take rate on it since we've introduced it is extremely high. We also have third brake light is a new option for us. And lastly, extra crossbars on the roof rack. It's right here, and you can adjust them, move them anywhere you need to. So just about any accessory you want up there, there's a place to mount it to. Again, we're proudly made in Australia. I have a 2-year warranty on our products. We also make a lighter duty version called the Nomad, which is just square tubing. Instead of the T-slot, has a weight rating of 770 static, 220 dynamic. Also can hold just about anything you want, but it's just a little bit less in price if somebody is price conscious.
Where can they find you?
We're here at booth E13 at the Overland Expo West in Flagstaff. Also, our website is wild-top.com.
Thank you. And now my review of the Wildtop Truck Cap. Hi everyone. Let's get lost in this review of the Wildtop's Truck Cap. If you're gonna camp, haul, or flex your truck's utility, might as well do it with a splash of style and a touch of canvas. Magnets hold the straps up and allow you to have a nice safari look. If you don't want the sides zipped up, if you have something sticking out of the side of the truck, this will be an easy way to still transport the stuff even though you have a truck cap on. The truck cap has 2 windows, the front and the back, so that way it does not impede your vision as you're riding down the road or off-road or on the trail. Need gear in a hurry? The panels zip up and you're able to get whatever is in the back of your truck out. This canvas doesn't leak. Keeps all your gear bone dry, even in monsoon style rain. Need to haul something on top? It comes with roof rack that supports weight of 770 pounds. You could haul a rooftop tent on here, no problem. The installation is super easy. With the weight that comes from having a hard top, you sacrifice gas mileage. With a soft top like this, you can barely see any gas mileage reduction. The only downside that I noticed with this truck top is when the tailgate's down and you go to put it back up, you have to move the little side flaps before you can get the tailgate to close. Thanks for trusting me with this review of the Wildtop Truck Cap. Now get lost off-road.